Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here on a super exciting day. Minion Blast has soft opened here at Universal Orlando, and we're gonna go check it out. We'll be able to see the ride, and you know, it's the first day. First day, my heart is racing. I live for this. We're here about an hour since it's been opening, or since it's been open for the very first time, and let's go figure out what it looks like. If you guys could do me a favor, you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs the video up for a one-of-a-kind, insane ride. We've never seen this ever before. We're basically gonna be walking on a conveyor belt. From what I understand, this is going to be insane. Welcome to Universal, and let's go check out this ride and let's see how long the line is. We are in such a rush. My heart, seriously guys, is beating so darn fast. Speed walking. We are speed walking. So it's technically in technical rehearsals. It's not open yet, but if you come here, probably throughout this whole week, it will be open. Let's go, I'm so excited. New rides, there's nothing like new rides. Universal Orlando. I have never walked so fast in my entire life. And I'm actually, do you want to be in the video? I'm actually walking in with one of you. He stopped me. I'm like, let's go. Keep walking, keep walking. He knew the drill. He knew the drill.
We're on a mission right now.
We are on a Minion Blast mission. Curious to see what the wait time's gonna be. I don't know. I don't feel like the word's out yet, but it's out if you're a huge major theme park person. Woo! So far it's kind of a hot day, but it's kind of just how fast we're walking and cruising on in. Doesn't seem too busy at the moment for summer, but here we go. A couple steps and a couple minutes away. Here we go. Oh boy.
I don't know if I see umbrellas.
Let's find out. We get to see the queue for the first time as well. Imagine how excited we're all gonna be for Epic Universe. Like, I'm just bouncing around right now. It's a great day. We picked the right line. Hey, Julie.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Super exciting day.
Oh, it is.
It is, thank you. Hopefully we didn't just like miss it and they closed the line for some reason. I don't think we did, but here we go.
We're in the shade.
VillainCon. You know, the line doesn't look too extended. I don't like that they're bringing bushes out.
Is that 60-minute wait?
60-minute? Yep.
I will do 60 minutes.
Let's do it. Can we head on in? Is there like a virtual queue? Uh-oh. I'm going in. All right, welcome to VillainCon. No idea what that mumbo jumbo was, but looks like people are getting some like return time. Again, this is technical rehearsals. Technical rehearsals. We're gonna keep this bad part. This doesn't look like 60. I mean, then again, we don't really know what the wait time or like where the queue goes. Regardless, you go ahead, Alex. We're here on opening day. Thumbs up the video, y'all. We did it. We ran over here. It's time to get our evil on. This way to evil. It's very loud, very loud. Here we go. All right, posted 60 minutes, like I said. We'll see how long this actually takes. I'm ready, guys. Please, again, thumbs up the video, subscribe if you're new. It's a fun day today. We got some TVs throughout. Okay, he's robbing a bank, it looks like. Can you guys see that? Hey! Technically, we don't really know what this ride is. We only know what it consists of based on leaks. But we're gonna be going on that conveyor belt, and we're gonna have a gun. It's gonna be basically kind of like Men in Black, Toy Story Mania, and more specifically kind of like Buzz Lightyear, but more advanced, hopefully. Well, we found the entrance. Looks like they're actually still working on the other side over there. But this is like the front. We gotta go all the way around, I think. Oh no, that's like the front. We only wrap in here. There's not much queue outside here, so it looks like there's gonna be a big queue inside. We'll see. But we're almost pretty much inside. So this is where I thought we might wrap, because that's what we did for Shrek, but we're gonna go straight on into the building. It's that time of year again. Too much fun, it's a crime. blasters. You guys can see that. Wait, they're big. Oh no. So we got our first look at the blaster. It's actually pretty big. It's white and blue. The fun thing about this, there's no 3D glasses, but there is a slow moving conveyor belt, like very slow. Got an area right here that they're currently working on. Oh wow, they got like a bucket right there with tape on. Sherman Williams, they're still painting on the other side. That's cool. All the villains. Looks like we're gonna be wrapping around the building because this used to be the entrance of Shrek, so this is completely blocked off now. Here's a look at the light designs, and same with the roof that we have, the fans. We need the fans. That's obviously very important here in Florida. This line is moving very, very steady. Again, there's no express pass too, so that's probably why as well. What we got here? Unlawful outfitters. Oh, that's the gun right there. That's what we're gonna be holding. It's pretty massive. You have to hold on with 2 hands. So I think I'm gonna just film Alex, who I just met. Kind of worked out.
Fingerprint resistant coating, so you never get caught. Holds up to 10,000 rounds and 10,000 songs.
Whole new queue.
The Eliminator X. From one evil to the core.
Groovy enough for me. Pick up your lemonade ensemble.
And in we go. I believe this is like the halfway point. Thank you. Scanning in progress. Here we go, technical rehearsals. Oh, here's the interior queue. It smells so good. Welcome. There's so much going on here. Please leave your weapons in there. It's like a museum. Villain Con Universal Studios lost and stolen. Why does that look like something that's from Shrek? What do we got here? Everything just pops.
Yeah.
Nice. It's slow moving too, so you can actually like see things. Can you sear that? Press it? Anything? No? Oh, that would've been cool. You do that. Neat. I'm gonna let you guys take in the audio. It does. Unlawful outfitters. Oh, here's our gun. I don't know if that's life size. It's pretty big if it is. This is neat. Cool. Can I have that gun right there? I want that. The bazooka. Moving pretty steady. Villain Con. Oh, it's just like it's a, you know, it's a convention. That's so funny. Those are all the booths. Vicious 6. Oh, there's where we get our guns. All right. Oh, that's cool. Nice. There's so many little trinkets around here. Not gonna really have time to film it all. I'm doing pretty quick. next stage. Oh my gosh, look at how the guns actually move. It's moving slowly to the left. Check it out. Nice, there's the blasters. Here we go. Ready? Let's see that bad boy. All right, can I hold it real quick? It's got some weight to it. Definitely need two hands. You see that just activate? All right, let's see. Thanks, Alex.
May be aggravated by this.
Here we go. Here's how the ride operates. We're already at the front. Here's the conveyor belt.
Under 48 inches.
And we're just going. It looks like it's activating. I'm just choosing to hold my camera. And we're just going to kind of film the attractions.
Step forward onto the moving walkway. For your safety, please remain
Here's a look at it.
standing on the moving walkway at all times. Do not.
Oh, we got to stand on the dot. So here we go. How do you tell it's yours? I think based off the color of the blaster. Got some railings here. Love that it's not a 3D screen. Oh my gosh. Hello. This is so rad. Oop, I accidentally stepped on that. It's very important to stay on your dot. Screen's lagging a little bit. To work that out. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. On to the next already. The screams really pop. So much going on.
Attention all buildings. Please remain standing on your assigned location. Thank you for your cooperation.
That's funny. As you can see, there's a lot of mayhem going on right here. Absolutely nuts. We're about to transition to the next room here. Screens on both sides. It's so nice that you don't have to wear 3D goggles. Is it hard to tell what you're shooting? Yeah, it is. Yeah, can I? I'm gonna face this way.
It's already filming, right?
Yeah, it should be, yeah. Oh, you have to keep tapping it. Okay. It does kind of lag behind a little bit. Huh. This is hard to see. Oh, you can have it. Interesting.
Yeah. It has like a little bit of like...
Yeah. It does have some vibration to it too. When you get to something like this, it's really hard to see what you're shooting. Fun concept though. Oh, this is like the boss fight? Wow. It's kind of hard to tell that they're screens, honestly, with how it's built in.
See all those little dots? It's hard to see what you're trying to shoot at. I think it's just the villains.
You have never matched for my superior intellect. I have limited.
Oh, it's universal. That's funny. I just noticed that. Alright, this is it. That was like a 6-7 minute ride. Very slow moving. See this? Try to show most of the screen. Your arm hurts. And then at the end, here's the new blasters that you can purchase. How much are they? $35. Oh, not that bad. It's like the fart gun price, just a little bit more expensive.
How awesome is that? I mean, like, first impressions, obviously I was just kind of just there like recording it. It does get a little bit heavy as, you know, you're going on through from the feedback from a lot of people, but really chill, really cool. Minion Blast, technical rehearsals. Come here, shoot your videos, shoot your photos. It's an exciting time to be here at Universal Orlando. But yeah, that might be the world's first POV of this new insane ride. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Minion Blast here. So exciting when there's a brand new ride. So that was it for your second Daily Dose, 2 vlogs today. Hope you guys enjoyed this first little look at Minion Blast Villain Con. It's always fun to be here on these days. Really fun. See you guys tomorrow.
By the way, you guys know it said 60-minute wait. It went down to a 40, and I think we only waited like 20. Moves pretty quick. Like it's technically like an Omni mover, you know? Anyways, last note. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.